Hi, my name is Jeri Daly, and I live in Salinas, California. And I wanted to send this video to Kerri, just thanking her so much for what she has done for me. My voice has been totally transformed. 2 years ago, I was cracking and popping. I sing in a worship arts team in our church on a microphone, and it was so frustrating to me because I kept cracking and popping. And I saw her program and I took it, her 20 modules, for 2 years. And I have found such a noticeable difference in my voice and my ability to sing more freely. And then she came out with this How to Sing in Mixed Voice program just recently, and that was like the icing on the cake. It really connected my chest and head voice, and I am just so delighted to be able to sing more freely and feeling more confident in my singing. I'm one of the oldest singers on our team, and I'm just so blessed to be able to sing the way that I do. I'm a soprano and still able to hit pretty high notes, which is unheard of. And it's, I believe, thanks to Kerri Ho. So get out there and buy her stuff. She is totally amazing. Thank you, Kerri. God bless.